The Network Simulator with Designer, CertExams software provides a virtual lab environment where a router or switch network can be simulated. The software is primarily intended for candidates preparing for CCENT certification exam. This is the main window of the simulator software using which we can access various modules of the software like Router Simulator used to configure a single router, Switch Simulator, to configure a single switch, Network Simulator, to configure a router or a switch network, Network Designer, to design networks, and also Lab Manual that includes more than 100 lab exercises for hands-on experience. This is the Network Simulator window. On the console area of the window we can configure devices using several router/switch commands. It is also possible to save the configuration for further use and load it whenever required. This is the network diagram screen wherein the user can select any device from the drop-down to configure as per the requirement. This is the lab manual screen. There are 100 plus lab exercises provided in the software for hands-on experience for the candidates. As can be seen in the left pane, it is possible to browse through the available labs and view/load any given lab. Any lab in the manual can be selected and loaded into the simulator by clicking on Load the Lab button, provided a confirmation dialog is displayed, as shown. Once the lab is loaded, one can configure the devices and practice the lab. This screen shows a sample configuration on router R1. This is the supported commands window included in the software using which one can view a list of all router and switch commands currently supported in the software. The software also includes a comprehensive help file dealing with all aspects of the software, thus helping the candidate in using the software. Selecting Network Designer module from the main menu of the simulator software. The Network Designer module of the simulator software supports various series of Cisco routers, switches. Also includes workstation and connectors like serial, Ethernet used for designing networks. Just drag and drop the devices from the left pane onto the design area and it's very easy to configure parameters like hostname, IP address on the devices. This shows a simple network designed with routers and other devices. Once designed, it can be exported for use with the Network Simulator module by clicking on Menu Item File and then Export Configuration. We can import the network designed using Network Designer module for further configuration by clicking on Open Exported File button, provided on the Network Simulator window, as shown.